Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Pandas is a powerful and popular open source data manipulation and analysis library for Python. It provides data structures like data frame and series, which are efficient for working with structured data. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of using Pandas for data analysis with code examples. Before you start using Pandas, make sure it is installed. You can install it using the following command. To use Pandas in your Python script or Jupyter notebook, you need to import it. In the conventional practice, Pandas is often imported with the alias PD. A data frame is a two-dimensional labeled data structure with columns that can be of different types. You can create a data frame from various sources, such as lists, dictionaries, CSV files, Excel files, and more. Once you have a data frame, you can explore and understand your data better. Pandas provides methods for handling missing data and cleaning your dataset. Pandas allows you to perform various operations on your data. Pandas integrates with popular data visualization libraries like Matplotlib and Seaborn. Pandas is a versatile and powerful library for data analysis in Python. This tutorial covers the basics, but there's much more to explore and learn. Visit the official Pandas documentation for detailed information and advanced topics. Happy coding! ChatGPT